Moving towards the next one, which is going to be on the keys. What is this key keyword? The unique identification. A table to be unique, we have set of keys, and a keys term will be learning. For an example, okay, in your home, okay, you might have a door. Okay, at your home door for the entrance, we have a door. Now, a door ekata तीनों key ekak. That key is unique. Now, a key eking have a door ekam will open करने वाली. If you have a vehicle you start करना, there is a key, and that key is unique. So with the word called key, you will understand that keys are used to identify things uniquely or start up things uniquely. If it's a vehicle, it will start vehicle quickly, uniquely. It will unlock the door if it's a door. Similarly, in databases, we use these keys in tables. Okay, we use these keys in tables, and that tables we will be going through on unique factors. A keys will learn one by one. Right. Key are very important part of relational database. Page number 9. Okay. They are used to establish and identify relationships between tables and also used to uniquely identify any record or row data inside the table. So key is used to identify uniquely records or data. So records have key uniquely, right? Using the colors. In real world application, number of tables required for storing the data is huge. Okay, and different tables are related to each other as well. Also, tables store a lot of data in them. So, table gradually extend of thousands of record in them. So, in real world, okay, when you are entering more and more data, especially when you come across Zoom, okay, each and every second there are Zoom meetings. So, you have a high amount of database you are having. So, that data is gradually being stored, right? Okay, now the data collect karama, incremental data it won't reduce. It will be increasing day by day. So that is what they say. To avoid all these, okay, keys are defined to easily identify any row of data in a table. So keys are used to identify records uniquely. Right. Now here we have there are four types of keys: primary key, composite primary key, foreign key, and non-key attribute. एक description है तीनों. In the next page, you have a diagram to learn. Okay, now make a syllabus again. I mean, there is a place to have the diagram now. This diagram you don't have it in the syllabus. Okay, I have come across with a simple Venn diagram to learn these keys. So remember again, we don't have this in your syllabus, but how do I make you all to understand these keys is using a simple Venn diagram. So when the Venn diagram, there is a place to have the diagram. There is a place to have the diagram. Okay, and in this side you are having some values. We'll see what are those values one by one. Okay, so we are going to learn in this. No, we don't write table data 1, data 2, data 3. We write the actual data inside. Okay, we don't write like that. We write the actual data inside. Right. Okay, so I'll go into Venn diagram and then give you all the explanation one by one. Okay, so how this Venn diagram is going to be is we have set of keys. So on the side the boxes are on it. Okay, so the first one we have it as the primary key. Or mini box okay. Then we do have it as the second one we do have it as the foreign key. Second box as any foreign key is okay. In third we do have the composite primary key. Okay. Third, we do have the composite primary key. And at last, okay, we do have the foreign key. So non-primary key attribute. And at last, we have non-primary key attribute. Hold on. Non-primary key. Okay, good. Right. Now, when I make meaning four places in a side Venn diagram. Okay, now I'm going to teach you what are these keys using a Venn diagram, and then I'll relate with our example. Right. Now, when you come across India, you are going to use some different colors. Okay, and you are going to color it one by one. That's very important here because it's important picture. Okay, अब ये colors तमाम में diagram में use करना है. So if you're using a red color, you can specify whatever the color you want. Okay, it doesn't matter. But अन्य एक colors तमाम एक keys है represent करेगा नहीं. So it will be easy for you all to learn out there. So we have the blue in color. Okay, and finally we have the white, right? Non-primary key attribute. Okay, मैं यहाँ तो मैं table की mark कर लेंगे. Understood? Okay, those four places when we have the diagram करते हैं and color color. Yeah, you can use whatever the color you wish. मंगा तीन color समय हम use करें. There, right? Okay, so we have the table. Okay, so we're gonna have the table out there. I'm going to use the table in this format. Okay. Okay. Now this box is assuming the database. The box is the database. May the box is the authority, not tables. Okay, may box is the database के लिए कीवर्ड main minimum circular part what tables, right? So you have a set of tables out there. Okay, what should you write? I'll give it later. What to write? What to write in that places? I'll give it to you later. What are the things to write it? Just one first. Okay. When the Venn diagram, I'm going to explain you the entire story. So it will be easy for you all to understand in overall. Right. If I take this as the entire database, मैंने make entire database के लगा तो, okay, मैंने में circles तीनों ने, एक तीनों database के तीनों tables. We have table, all the tables these right? Understood? Okay. Now there are three tables. For those three tables, there are inside this table you have a space now. Okay, there is a space. Make up columns. Okay, inside the table you will have columns. These empty circles are what? Columns. Okay, for these three table, min make column maker. Min make column maker unique. The unique column that can identify a record is known as what? Uh, Primary key. Out of this database, there are tables. Min में table, लेकिन में table तुरंत min में column में unique, and that is we call it as a primary key. A primary key is a column that can uniquely identify a table. Example like student ID, course ID. We can take account number, NIC number. Okay, we can take phone number. Unique identify करेगा ना primary key, right? Done. If I use this primary key as a reference, if I use this primary key in another table, if I use this primary key in another table, what I call it as the foreign key. I'm using the customer ID in account table. I am using the student ID in payment table. If I use a primary key of another primary key in another table, I call this a foreign key. Okay? We'll make a practical color printer now, so you have our idea. So make it a foreign key. Then there can be tables that is cannot be uniquely identified at all. Okay, it can be unique column and name. So what we do it is, okay, we can join two columns together. Okay, columns दिखा खोल कर हम primary key के head देना. Example, okay, your name and your phone number together gives you a unique identification. Your name and your, we'll say, in your name and your address can give you a unique identification. Obviously, address can be duplicated. You and if you and your brother are staying in the same home, address can be duplicated. Your name and your friend's name will be same. Name also can be duplicated. But if they come a join karama, it's unique. You can't find a person in your name, a person who stays in your location, you can't find it. So sometimes you might have not have a column, unique column and entry. आपकी columns दिखा join कर दो. That is we call as composite primary key. Okay, that is we call as composite primary key. In this story, there is a key that we didn't use at all. There are certain things that we didn't use at all. Certain columns we didn't use at all. Okay, the column that we don't use it. So column does not have any key feature. Okay, column that doesn't have any key feature, we just simply call it as non-primary key attribute. Area make columns that we didn't use any key value. It doesn't have any key value. Now, if you take a table that might have 10 columns, in that 10 column, only 3 columns are using a key. Other 7 columns will be what? Non-primary key attribute.